So this is my tip for if your basement floods. You can see the height that it had flooded, and it gets to the point that it floods your water heater. And if you have this model, the Beckett, it's also Honeywell, you'll come down and see these lights. You can read the user notes on the label, and if it doesn't fire up and it locks out, you hold this red button down. I've done it for about 12 times now, and what that does is it fires up the igniter inside and dries it out. So keep firing it up, and that will dry the inside out. So right now it finally did the auto kick. I've had to manually do it because it keeps fogging out, and you might have a flue like this to get the oxygen in. And if it bogs out like it has, just keep trying. Because what you're doing by restarting it through this is you're making it dry out, and then it will continuously burn. You can see here, it's been off for how long? That's my water pressure and my water temperature. But if you listen, you can hear it starting to run smoothly. So like I said, it might take longer for certain people, but if it floods like it has here, and it got underneath into the furnace, you're going to need to dry it out. So you need to manually dry it out by restarting the pump to let that flame go on the inside. Keep it going. Keep restarting it. To have some patience, but it'll work. That's this certain model and make, the Beckett. But that's what I've found twice now that works to dry it out and make it restart. You can hear it now, it hasn't kicked out yet. It's still running. So again, this one was about 12 tries. It might be different for different people, but just be patient.